today's video, we are going to see how we can manage our Mikrotik using the Winbox software. So first of all, we are going to extract it. The software, the link to download the software is in my description, so you click the link, then you can download the software. Download the WinRAR of the software. We're going to extract it into our PC. After that, you can see the software is right here. It's already been installed, so we are going to run the software automatically. Remember to subscribe and follow, so we can find more videos that can help you manage your Mikrotik. You're going to allow. Then on the IP address, you're just to click on the top there where we have done some icon. So you're going to click. Then the IP address will automatically appear on the corresponding login and password, and it will open up. So for mine, I had already placed my username and password, so just to connect and it automatically opens. So we can see we are on the dashboard, the quick set. You can see everything. Yeah, your profile, that's your top profile of your Mikrotik. You can see for mine Dara's Wi-Fi, that's my SSD for my network. Just that's a dashboard to see how the things are. You can go further and for any place and see how your Mikrotik is doing. For today's video, I was going just to show you how to install the Winbox software. So this is the new Winbox, the beta version. You can see how it's working. It's working perfectly. You can add another Winbox there, another dashboard. You can add as many you want. So I've told you that to download the software, the link is in my bio. Click on the description and get the link so that you can download, use the software. Okay, proceed and add the software or create a shortcut on your desktop so that it can be just easy for you to access it. Click on the shortcut you have created and go. You can log in into your Mikrotik. That was only for today. For the next video, so I can show you how you can manage the other parts. Thank you for watching.